Alright guys, what we have here is a Cadillac ATS. It's in the shop. Problem on this is, of course, you can tell right away when you're driving it, no signal bulb, burnt out. So it's really cool how this thing reacts and tells you which is a signal bulb. So I'll bring you guys inside here, get you guys a feel of what is the problem on this. So let's say on the right, when you're turning right, see, yep, turns right okay. And then when you turn left, it blinks so fast, and it gives me that service information that my left turn signal is failed. So I'll show you guys in the front here. Yeah, I'm gonna fix it. So you can tell on the back, the signal light. Yeah, it's blinking on the back, but on the front, it's not blinking. So this little guy right here is the signal bulb.
Wait, you doing a video?
Yes. Hello. What are you guys doing?
Scream, kittens!
What are you guys doing? Goodbye. Alright guys, so I got the hazard light on. Nothing on the front, but on the right side I got that blinking right there. So to change the bulb on this, I'll show you. Basically take out the wheel liner and reach it from behind, and it's right there. Okay, so let's get to it. Alright, first put the floor jack and jack the vehicle up. Alright, next jack stand. I loosened up already, so I'm just gonna have to zip it out. Alright, there's a torque screw right here. We're gonna take those off, and there's 2 bolts in the bottom. We'll take those off. Alright guys, so I'll show you down here what bolt we need to take out. So 2 bolts right on the front bumper, 7mm, 2 bolts right there, third one right here on the edge of the bumper, 7mm. Those are the only 3 bolts. And then right behind this deflector, there's that a little torque bit bolt. I think you use 3/32 is the size, and that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's pretty much all around the front half of this wheel liner. Okay, there's probably screw right down here too, and then a couple on the edge right there. So we need to take those out. That's a lot of screw. So let's start from here. Alright guys, so all the bolts are taken out. 3 on the side, and there's probably like 6 17 mil bolts right there, and up on the front bumper, and then 3 on the deflector side. There's lots down there, so those are loose. Now this fender liner should be about to come off. Yeah, it's pretty dusty, so it's gonna have to be careful peeling this off. Right guys, so it's exposed here now. Now this is where the bulb or the signal light, we're gonna be taking those off now. You can see the bulb is right behind that connector. I'll show you where is the connector. So this is a signal bulb right there. It's pretty easy. That's the signal bulb. So you're gonna have to twist that over, just like that, and expose the bulb. That's the bulb right there. So you can tell it's just burnt right out. I'll put a new one in. The connector is a little dark, but it looks like it's still okay. We'll put the bulb right back in, a brand new one. Here's a new one right here, GMC 1357-9188 bulb. That's a 7444 NA bulb. That's a new one in. We'll plug it back in. Just like that. And then put it back, the connector back inside, and then you twist it to the right. We'll have that click and you're good. We're gonna test it out and let's see what it looks like. So with the hazard on, she's turning on, so turned out really good. So pretty easy. Just the wheel well liner is the only time that it gets you to take out those bolts and fasteners. And yeah, just put it back just how you take it out. All right, this is you just zip it down, all the bolts. That's it, guys.